Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at the Fur Ellis puzzle. This puzzle was designed and made by Siebenstein Spiele from Germany. Difficulty level of the Fur Ellis puzzle is 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all 4 musical notes into the frame. But as you can see, it's not easy to do, since I can easily put 3 inside and there is not enough space for the last one. You can try to rearrange the parts, trying to find the solution, but most of the times you will end up with one piece that is out of the frame. The correct solution will be when all 4 parts are within the frame. There are no parts that one on top of another, and there are no parts that stick out of the frame. The Fur Ellis puzzle is made from laser cut wood. Some parts have different colors of wood, and all 4 notes are exactly the same. If you put one on top of another, you will find that they are all exactly the same, and you have to put all of them inside the frame. If you like the Fur Ellis puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.